Techno update. Subscribe now.
Honor 9 Review. Design. There is Gorilla Glass 3 on its front and back, and aluminium coated to match the color of the rest of the phone on the sides. The Honor 9th of May not have the very latest generation of Gorilla Glass, and the Galaxy S8 uses Gorilla Glass 5 instead. One of the many positive things about the Honor 9 is quite how easy it is to handle and hold. As long as you're not a person who complains glass phones are always slipping out of their hand like a clumsy cartoon bear fishing for salmon, that is. The screen isn't too huge, so the footprint is fairly small, and at 7.5mm thick it is slim. Screen. The Honor 9 has a 5.15-inch screen, very similar to that of last year's Samsung Galaxy S7 in terms of size. This is one part where Honor again has used sensible rather than mind-blowing tech, to get you 90% of the result for around half the price. It has a 1920 by 1080 pixel IPS LCD screen, rather than an ultra-high resolution OLED. At this size, though, you have to try to see the difference in sharpness between 1080p and the 1440p used by the Galaxy S8 and LG G6. It looks sharp. Software. The Honor 9 runs the same Emotion UI software you'll find in iPhones, and underneath it there is Android 7.0. Until recently, Emotion UI made you just use your home screens for apps, as there was no apps menu, like iOS, but less tasteful. The Honor 9 lets you choose between this old style and a layout much closer to standard Android 7.0, with a vertical apps menu that stops you having to tidy your home screens as often as your bedroom. Performance. Crucially, the Honor 9 software also feels very fast. Uploads are quick. I encountered no strange bugs, and the very responsive fingerprint scanner only adds to the slick sensibility. I would not suggest the HiSilicon 960 is a match for the best from the Snapdragon series, though. It uses the 8-core Mali G71 graphics chip, which is not as powerful as the Adreno 540 of the Snapdragon 835. And the Exynos 9985 seen in the UK Samsung Galaxy S8 has the 20-core version of the same graphics chipset. Camera. One of the Honor 9's cameras has a 12-megapixel sensor, the other a 20-megapixel one. Shoot at 1x or 2x zoom and the phone takes 12MP photos regardless, but it is able to lean on the higher resolution sensor when using the zoom, so it is not just relying on the standard digital zoom trick of cropping, expanding and smoothing the image out. Battery life. The Honor 9 has a 3200 mAh non-removable battery using high-density lithium polymer tech. That sounds good when it has 200 mAh more than both the Honor 8 and much higher res Samsung Galaxy S8.
Techno update. Subscribe now.